Hey there, are you an e-commerce owner struggling to boost your sales? Do you know that graphic design can skyrocket your revenue? Today I'm going to show you the top 5 ways that graphic design can increase your sales. Before we dive right into the 5 ways, let's just talk about why graphic design is so crucial for e-commerce businesses. First impressions matter, especially in the online world. A visually appealing website can grab your customers' attention and create a positive first impression. Additionally, great design can help you establish your brand identity and stand out from competitors. Tip number 1. Improve website navigation. One of the most important aspects of e-commerce shops is easy and intuitive navigation. Confusing navigation can cause your customers to leave your website and seek out your competitors. By using effective graphic design, you can make sure that your website is easy to navigate, intuitive, and visually appealing. This will keep your customers engaged and improve the chance of them making a purchase. So tip number 2, enhance product images. High-quality product images are essential for e-commerce shops. Customers want to see what they're buying, and great product images can help them make an informed purchase decision. By using graphic design to enhance your images, you can make them stand out and look more professional. This will help you build trust in your customers and increase your sales. Tip number 3. Use colors strategically. Colors can play a crucial role in the world of graphic design. By using colors effectively, you can create an emotional connection with your customers and influence their purchasing decisions. For example, red is often associated with urgency and excitement, and it can be great for sales and promotions. Blue, on the other hand, is associated with trust and security, so it can be great for building long-term customer relationships. Tip number 4. Create memorable packaging. Packaging is the first physical interaction that your customers have with your product. Great packaging can make your product stand out and create a memorable experience for your customers. By using graphic design, you can make packaging that is not only visually appealing, but is also aligned with your brand identity. This will help you build brand recognition and loyalty, which can help you increase sales. And finally, idea number 5, utilize social media graphics. Social media is a great way to reach out to potential customers and build brand awareness. By using graphic design, you can create visually appealing social media graphics that can catch the attention of your target audience. This can help you increase your social media engagement, drive more traffic to your website, and ultimately increase your sales. So there you have it, the top 5 ways that graphic design can help you skyrocket your e-commerce sales. By improving your website navigation, enhancing your product images, using colors strategically, creating memorable packaging, and utilizing the power of social media, you can set your business up for success. Remember, great graphic design doesn't just make your business look good, it can also help you increase your revenue. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Until next time.